Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 20th question of the SASMO 2019 exam for grade 10 students. So question says, in the diagram, ABCD is a square. So ABCD is a square and H is the intersection of the diagonals. So H over here is the intersection of the diagonals. Points B, E, F and G are collinear. B, E, F and G are collinear such that point G is on side AD, G is on side AD. Point E on the diagonal, AC. So point E is on this diagonal AC. AF is the bisector of CAD. AF is the bisector of CAD. CAD. Bisector of that is AF. Okay. Bisector, and angle AFB is 90 degree. All right. If EH is 13 root 2, find the length of AG. Find the length of AG. Quite a complicated question. Okay. Now, let me come on this side. And what I'm going to do is, expand the figure like this. So now first of all, AC, this is ABCD is a square, AC is the diagonal. So this part is 45 degree. Okay. Now in this triangle, the triangle I'm drawing, A, this is G and this is E. Okay. So this is like this. AF is the angle bisector. So this is the remaining 45 degrees bisected. So this is 22.5 degree. So this part is 22.5 and this part is also 22.5. Alright. Now this is 90 degree given to us. So angle bisector and the altitude, it is both. That means this is an isosceles triangle. Triangle AGE is isosceles. So from here I can say AG is equal to AE. AG is equal to AE. Okay. Now, if this is 22.5, this angle over here is 22.5 degrees. Why? Because that is half of 45 degrees. This is 90 degree. So this angle over here, angle AEF, this is 22.5, this is 90. So angle AEF is basically 90 minus 22.5. Because this is a right angle triangle. So if this is 90, this is 22.5, it is 90 minus 22.5. So if this angle AEF is 90 minus 22.5, this angle is vertically opposite to it. This will also be 90 minus 22.5. Okay. Now the diagonals of a square meet at 90 degree. So if this is 90, this is 90 minus 22.5. That means this angle over here has to be 22.5. So angle EBH or GBH, whatever you see. So GBH, angle GBH is equal to 22.5 degree. Angle GBH is 22.5. This entire is 45 degrees. This whole thing is 90 degree. So if this is 22.5, the remaining part, which is this angle, should also be 22.5 degree. Okay. So what I conclude is angle GBA is also 22.5 degree. So angle GBH is 22.5, angle GBA is 22.5. That means GB over here or BE you can see BE is bisecting this angle HBA because it is 22.5 and 22.5, both of them. Okay. So now in triangle AHB, we know BE is bisector of angle B. BE is bisector of angle B. So now from the angle bisector theorem we can say then AE upon EH, AE upon EH is equal to AB AB upon HB. Okay, so AE upon EH is equal to AB upon HB, because B is the angle bisector. EB is the angle bisector of angle B. So this we have concluded now. Now AE is AG. We need to find AG. So AE is AG. We'll put AG. EH is given to be 13 root 2. So EH is 13 root 2. AB and HB we have to figure out. So now suppose AE, suppose AE is equal to X, which is what we have to find, because AG is X, AE is X. Suppose AG is equal to AE is equal to X. Now from here, what I'm going to do is, I will write some figures over here. So we know that AE upon EH is equal to AB upon HB. AE upon EH is equal to AB upon HB. Now AE is X, which is what we have to find. So AE is X. EH is 13 root 2. So EH is given to be 13 root 2. AB, now if you look at it, first of all HB, if you look at it, HB is equal to AH. Okay, because in this square, the two diagonals bisect, means that AH should be equal to HB. So AH is equal to HB. So HB is equal to AH. And what is AH? AH is AE plus EH. AE is X and EH is 13 root 2. So that is X plus 13 root 2. So HB is X plus 13 root 2. And finally AB. So now in this right angle triangle AHB, in the right angle triangle AHB, AB, so this is 90 degree at H. So AB is equal to root 2 times any of the sides. So AB is root 2 HB. Okay, AB is equal to root 2 into HB. So I can write AB is under root 2 into HB. So I can plug this value or I can just leave it as it is, because we have to figure out the ratio ultimately. So now we will put these values. AE is X. We need to find the value of X from here, because that is what AG is ultimately. So X upon EH. EH is 13 root 2. AB is, I can directly write it as root 2 into HB. I don't even need to write HB in terms of X. I can write it HB as it is here. So HB cancels out. So X upon 13 root 2 is equal to root 2. So X is equal to 13 root 2 into root 2, which is 13 into 2, which is equal to 26. Okay. So which is what we have to find. Length of AG equals 26. And 26 is the right answer here. Okay. So it was quite a complicated question, but a doable one. Alright. So 26 is the right answer here.